Instead of being tokenized for profit as a basic trade token, XRP was developed with the goal of bringing about a worldwide monetary system that operates on a single currency. The fact that XRP was created specifically for use as a bridge currency as part of the Ripple network's cross-border on-demand oligopoly-style ODR mechanism is mostly overlooked. Welcome back to the Crypto God channel, where we bring you the most recent and intriguing XRP news. We are giving away 1000 XRP to those who are watching. All you have to do is like and subscribe, comment XRP is king and watch the video to the end to verify your subscription. The RippleNet protocol and its accompanying XRPL ledger were created to take the role of the existing rapid global banking system, with the eventual goal of digitizing and hosting all national legal money on the blockchain. It reduces the average time it takes to complete a transaction from 5 minutes to 3 seconds, improves accuracy, and costs only 0.000001 XRP. Companies can send $50 million to another country in 3 seconds for only $30. One day, all property will be converted to digital form and added to the blockchain. Gold, silver, oil, gas, global debt, and the global budget will all be digitized along with the rest of the world's fiat currencies. Through the XRP ledger, which makes use of XRP and its decentralized exchange, users will be able to quickly trade one type of digital currency for another, regardless of the originating currency. That is to say, once the RippleNet protocol is fully functional, it will serve as the internet of monetary transactions. That is to say, you wouldn't have to worry about the specific digital assets in your wallet in order to make international money transfers or purchases. When making an online or in-store purchase, you can use a POS system that NCR, a national cash register firm, has already created to take all digital assets and convert into national fiat currencies. The government will eventually prohibit the selling of XRP at retail, given the currency's potential future use and significance. XRP will be illegal to buy in stores once the government cracks down on it. When XRP's true value is exposed, its price skyrockets. Assuming a successful global rollout of XRP as a global bridge currency, the $10 price of XRP might easily skyrocket to $40,000 in a short amount of time. Cryptocurrency market value has exploded to over $1.7 trillion, whereas NFTs $25 billion in 2021, $4 billion in January 2022, and other digital assets, DeFi $75 billion in staking and liquidity pools $108 billion have also grown rapidly. When it comes to digital assets like cryptocurrencies, the question is how to govern them and how exactly will this cutting-edge innovation contribute to our economy. All token sales, including the secondary market, will be accompanied by XRP, which serves merely as an investment contract between owners, and will be used in the long term by the Cultdao exchange to finance Ripple's operations. This statement must be filed with the SEC. The Supreme Court's interpretation of the 1946 Howey judgment, which has set a key precedent for deciding whether a deed is a security, underpins the Commission's action. Many Ripple investors may have had their portfolios impacted by the SEC's decision. It's important to talk about the widespread forced buybacks for survival because of the tremendous excitement they generated. Inquiring minds want to know if this is even possible. Once again, banks, payment processors, digital asset exchanges, and enterprises may all utilize Ripple to move money abroad because of the blockchain. Ripple was acquired by MoneyGram in 2019 after raising over $500 million with the sale of its XRP token. The company's services, which include remittance exchange and real-time gross settlement mechanisms, facilitate international payments for 300 institutional investors like Santander and Standard Chartered. These massive changes with the SEC do not inspire confidence. The Commission has opened an investigation against Ripple on suspicion that it raised $1.4 billion via an unregistered exchange. XRP is subject to more stringent regulations because the SEC has classed it as a standard collateral asset on par with bonds and equities. Approximately $29 billion is locked up in Ripple's $50 billion XRP reserves. The corporation may be forced to burn its Bitcoin Cash despite its wishes, as revealed by a seemingly insignificant tweet. If the node validators and the whole community reached a consensus, it was desirable to burn 50 billion XRP Ripple in escrow. Would it be possible? Shorts later conceded that if a community was able to win a vote, the same situation was possible. Nothing, he claimed, could stop this, since blockchains and general use are so democratic that even Ripple would be helpless to stop it. If a majority decides to change the rules, a smaller group will not be able to stop them due to the fact that 80% of network validators would have to agree to adopt such a scheme. It is clear that the strategy is not viable. An employee of Ripple said the company's focus will not be on retail. You might be asking how we came to earn XRP given that Bitcoin came into being in 2009 and that subsequent cryptocurrencies such as Ethereum and XRP were also developed at that time. Individuals with access to large amounts of capital were essential and the pioneers aspired to be American retail investors. They were curious about Bitcoin's final form. Some investors lost money, others made money, and both groups had the same goal: to witness the effects of Bitcoin's price volatility upon the arrival of liquidity. Ripple's mission for the past decade has been to create a universally adopted utility token that can be used to transfer value between any two parties anywhere in the world. Moreover, we come quite a distance, so if insider trading is happening and someone will buy XRP whenever its price goes up, why are we still keeping it in the XRP condition of the markets? As OTL gets traction in the global fiat market, Ripple has announced there is a buyer for XRP in the secondary market and plans to continue buying at market pricing. Therefore, they keep putting as much of their income toward buying XRP at $1, $6 per coin, and then selling it to their firms and other financial institutions so that they can profit from the subsequent price increase. While some may be able to sell 100 until the price of XRP skyrockets, they intend to hold on to it. Since we are dealing with a utility token, once the price begins to rise, there is no stopping it. While some may be able to sell 100 until the price of XRP skyrockets, they intend to hold on to it. Since we are dealing with a utility token, once the price begins to rise, there is no stopping it. Ripple, a blockchain technology business, had a pre-inflation valuation of $10 billion, but CEO Brad Garninghouse announced that the company had repurchased Series stock for a whopping $15 billion in December 2019. Among the companies purchasing back stock from investors is Tetragon, the company that sued the tech fund last year. In January 2021, Ripple faced a lawsuit from Tetragon, a major investor in the Series C round based in the UK, who wanted to recoup $175 million they had loaned to Ripple. A judge in Delaware Chancery Court rejected a takeover bid by Tetragon Finance Company on March 5, 2021, a spokeswoman from Ripple Labs said on March 5. The SEC is in the middle of a regulatory struggle with XRP and other cryptocurrencies, and the outcome of this fight is being watched intently around the world. In December of 2020, the SEC filed a lawsuit against Ripple Labs and two of its top executives alleging that the sale of XRP tokens constituted a $1.38 billion issue of unregistered securities. The payments technology firm countered by claiming the SEC engaged in discriminatory practices and arguing that it had not been given adequate notice. When U.S. District Judge Sarah Netburn ordered the entire body to divulge the documents on January 13, 2022, it was a surprising development in the case. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to help us grow the channel. Also don't forget to follow us on Twitter at GDCrypto_ to stay informed on breaking crypto news.